Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL Tune 215 wireless and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair them with your Windows PC. At first you have to click on Windows icon at the bottom and then click on settings. Then you have to click on devices and plus. Here you have to click on Bluetooth and now you have to go into pairing mode with your headphones. So at first remove them from your case and then go into parent mode by holding this button over here, the right earpod. As you can see, we're now in parent mode. We have to click on our headphone in here and now we are done. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.